So this is your Delaney Magnifica we're testing out, and I'm gonna go ahead and make a shot. So as you can see, it's pouring espresso. So I'm wondering if it did it for you or if not. So let's talk more. All right, thanks.